Hey guys, it's Anika. Today we're going to be playing Doodle Champion Island game. So today I'm going to be getting this badge over here, Archery badge, and completing their quests. So let's get started. Okay, scroll, loading. Yes. So we were here in this house. We were taking the turtle to the turtles. So now I'm going to be going here. So first, let's go here, archery. We can teleport. Okay, so should we get started? Lucky, let's go. Let's see. Who's this? Horse! Whoa! Perfect shot! Wow! In real life, I can't do that too. I mean, can't. Okay, lose, hit targets to outscore the champion before times run out. Right, left to move. Okay, space bar to heal. Okay, done. I'm ready. I'm so ready. I gotta get fine for him because if I don't, I'm gonna lose here. This might be the biggest GG. Okay. If it means it will be the GG. Okay, let's do this. We should have same. Why? Okay. I was gonna say that. Why can't I do that? Can't we get some faster? Yoshi is doing slow and still he's winning because he's a bot. I know he's a bot, and bot means that he knows everything. He's actually good. No, I think. Okay. Maybe I have to try again. Okay. I got this, right? Everyone, give me some luck. Hit that like button. Whoa. I can do this. No, Yoshi wins. No, that's not fair. I got one tango. Play again. I have to win for my fans. All of them. They're my friends. Okay, let's go. Okay. You have to be slow. Slow, steady wins the race. Okay. Slowly. Oh, okay. This is good. So high, so good. Slow and steady wins the race. That's why Yoshi is slow. Okay, because he knows that slow and steady wins the race, and he literally take that thing from me. Miss. No, I can't miss. This is my priority, and if I missed, that's not good. Okay, don't miss, Anika. I got this. I'm an actual genius. I got it, guys. This is so gonna be easy. Woohoo! I love Anika. It's giving me an effort. Yes, I won. I knew it, Yoshi. Okay. Yay, I won. He's rolling. I got the scroll. And scroll. Yay! So I beat it. Yay! I know about this tune. Our mascot named Inari. Okay. Hi, pig. Arrows everywhere. Are you okay? Yeah, arrows everywhere. He's dreaming. Of course not. Look around. There are arrows everywhere. The mask. Wait, what? I'm the royal collector. Yoichi trusts me to collect all the arrows and bring them to him for tiger pack. Okay, Yoichi is the name of the archery guy that we play now, but there's too many. I will never get them all. I will help. I can help you collect them. Yeah, you look like you will never gonna pick them in your life. Wait, well, that's probably because I haven't, but I'm willing to win very well. I'm supposed to have to find 5 blue arrows and then bring it back to me, and be quick. The sun is starting to set. Okay, 1. Wait, I have to show you guys how they look. Okay, so this is how they look. This is over here. Let's collect them. Spacebar. Another arrow. 2 and 3 down. Okay, let's go. Yeah, first of all, no, I know controls. I wanna know, like, setting, yeah. I wanna do this retro, yeah, like that. That's like the actual game. But I first like the mod, wait. Why I am going here? Oh my gosh. Okay, so first we have to go. They differently spawn. They had a random spawn. Let's go here. Explore this whole place. Leaderboard. Okay, help! We're wrecked. Why? Alright. Okay, I got it. I was like, wait, why here the arrow? Another arrow, 3, 2, down to go. I didn't understand about this. Why there are water in there? But still, I think this is far. In secret. Let's see. Oh, find it. Another 4. I need one more. Okay. And if I guess right, it's over here. Yeah, I knew it at the last. 5 blue arrows. Better take them to an arrow collector. I bet he will be excited to see them. When I say that, they're like, no, I don't want them. They're not precious for me anymore. Oh, 5 arrows and so fast. Yoshi will be proud of me. Wait, proud of who? Me, us. I mean us, of course. Thank you for your service, Lucky. Yoshi will be even stronger champion now. Oh my gosh, I think it's gonna lie to him. Okay, let's see. If there are so many quests. Oh no! Where am I gonna do? What seems to be problem? Yeah, I shoot my lucky arrow higher than, but that's a great move. No, it's awful. It landed on the roof of the Yoshi's castle. I can't go this far from the water. Yeah, I know you are fish. I will never see my lucky. Maybe I can find a way on the roof. Wait here. Yeah, the lucky arrow. But what's the color? He didn't tell me the color. But remember, if the lucky color is green. Yeah, lucky color is green. Yoshi's blue. Wait, can we see from here? No. Can I glitch here so I can see? No. Can't I glitch here and go and see? Why can't I glitch? Oh my goodness. Lucky the cat is gonna get stuck. I don't think I can't. This is the most difficult thing in the world. Okay, fine. Let's go to Yoshi's roof then. Nice girl. Oh my gosh. Bye, Yoshi. Wait, what? Oh, there it is. I knew it. That was green. So this is the lucky arrow of him. Okay, let's see. Go, spacebar. Go! Oh no. Okay, the lucky arrow, this must be it. It looks like another arrow to me. Yeah! It's not like lucky, but lucky. Your name is Lucky, okay? Lucky the cat. We are Lucky the cat. On a roll. Stay in a path. Okay, my challenge is to stay in the path. But how am I supposed to talk? Fine. You won't believe it. I found what arrow? Your lucky arrow, the one of you lost in the roof. Yeah, why you're not acting like, but I have so long I found a new. What? You told us and now you found a new one. What? Yeah, isn't it beautiful? It looks like all the other arrows. Yeah, it's lucky, but it's different about this. Maybe I can get all the mountains. Oh, great. Wow. Let's see if there's any quests. I don't think. Wait. I don't remember this here, I think. Yeah, I remember this. Yeah, I think there is. I remember when I was exploring. Yeah. There was. Oh wow, hi Enjoy. What's going on outside? There's so much. I haven't used the Doodle I didn't see them. Yeah. Again, I thought they were supposed to be happening last year. Don't you want to join everyone? Yeah, join. Of course not. I'm quite happy inside. That sounds very lonely, and that's just the way I like it. Okay, if you like being alone, why don't you leave your front door open? I wondered if you might do me a favor. Yeah, okay. A favor? Of course. I'm gonna have a wonderful day. There's a locksmith on Oni Island. Okay, to the east. Could you take him this letter? Sure. Splendid. I will enjoy the peace and quiet until you return. But why are you still here? Deliver my I do this. Sorry, I forgive you. Now getting going. Oh, sorry. I was like, way to go. Locksmith. Okay. I just realized that so many questions on the islands. So later on in next video, we're gonna be Archery, and I saw so many quests and this headquarter over here. Look at this headquarter. Oh, where is the locksmith? There was. Wait, is he here? No, is that monkey? That's disgusting. Yeah, I know, I could dream. I'm like laughing because he's the hero dinosaur. Okay, this is the locksmith. Hey, can I have a key, please? Welcome to the hero's lock. Hi, hero. I have a letter for you from the porcupine. Yep, I thought it had a porcupine. From Petunia. Wait, Petunia. Okay, the porcupine name is Petunia. I thought it was her. I haven't seen her in ages. Thank you. Oh my square. Everything is okay. Yes, just one moment here. You go. Could you please deliver this package to Petunia? It's so heavy. Yes, 500 locks, thieves, and old request. But who am I to review with the customer? Okay, let's go then. Shall we? Okay, so let's go here. Excuse me, ma'am. You're so annoying to you again. I do this was if I go. Oh, how splendid. You can leave now. Okay. Let's leave. But I gotta say, you are so angry and block the door before front door, or else I will come back. Oh, okay. What is that? What? The door is locked. Oh well, I guess she got what she wants. Wait, she literally really locked the door? Oh my gosh, she listened to me. Okay. Anything else? Quests? Or that's it? Let's see. I don't think that this is going to do nothing. There's the kappa. Wait, is this kappa? Say kappa? My brother sits by the content in ignorance, and yet I, the smart kappa, must carry the burden of intelligence. The simple kappa knows not the difficulties to say and the burden. I stare out the vast that is in front of me. This is really sure it can be simple, but listen to me. Going on the road, nothing to is there. You have no idea how lucky you are. Yeah, my name is Mehta. Wait, I think I found something, guys. Let me tell you something. Okay, so in the bookshelves, right, there are so many stories, like the Tale of Two Kappas, the Secret Convent to Archery, Underwater Castle. So I think I found some along. Subway Guide to Toniki City, Magic Academy, Archaeology, the Adventure of Mehta. We know that. We play it, the 14 leader Eastern, I know. So we discover about the 14 leaders and their headquarters on the island. And of course, we see underwater castle, Magic or Marvel. So we found the castle in this area, artistic swimming, and the headquarters are in Toniki City. Toniki City, tennis and rugby, right? 1, 2, 3, and over here, artistic, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 4. And of course, we learn about the underwater in artistic swimming, and of course, the tale of two kappas. That kappa was talking about his brother. That is the tale of two kappas. And archery. Over here, he was talking. So, but I think it's a good place to end for today. So that's all I have for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video and awesome days. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, a big thumbs up. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. Stay safe.